back for another video on the 240. So I did a video on the brake master cylinder heat shield install. I didn't really like the way that video came out, but we're doing some more stuff on the 240 today. Some stuff under the hood, so going ahead and show you what we're working on. Working on some stuff under the hood, and this is the old air filter, and I mean, this thing is kind of a piece of crap. There's not much sunlight right now, but when you hold it up, you know, you can see right through it, and it's just foam and this little mesh thing, and I mean, it doesn't stay on worth a crap. Like, you could literally just, you know, separate it. So I have a new air filter. Alright, so here's the new filter. I mean, it's literally just nothing special. Another foam filter. Got from the parts store. Trying to kind of keep to like a real tight budget on the car, because there's only one event left for the year, and I don't know if I'm going to leave the KA in here, or if I'll leave it in here NA, or if I'll turbo it, or if I'll do a swap of some sort. But so I'm just getting cheap stuff for now. Well, we're going to have to do a little bit of rethinking here, because I didn't realize this lip was going to be there. Okay. Well, alright, so with some negotiation, I was able to get it on. So I just need to get the map bolted back up. Mounted. Okay, so I have my new piece of hose cut for the power steering, and there was one bolt that was kind of holding it here. 2 screws that I need to remove, the upper and the lower. So I'm going to do the upper first, and there's not a whole lot of fluid in here, but if anything does, you know, leak out, try to catch it with this bottle. Don't know if it's going to work, but whatever. Whoop. Alright, well, there's actually not much in there. That was not nearly as graceful as I was hoping it would be, but it worked. So I don't think anything else really is going to come out of there, but this line has definitely got some stuff in it. So actually, yeah, we are leaking there, so it's good. I've got the bottom there. But let's see if I can get enough of that out. So there's probably better ways to do this, and if there are, great. I'm gonna get this one ready because I'm just gonna pop this one off. I've got all my rags down here. That should be enough. There we go. We're good. Now, oh, look at this old hose. It was just old and destroyed. Now, another fun part. Okay. Alright, we are on. Alright, so got the leak fixed. We're all back together there. I did get some Dextron in it. I haven't started the car and bled it yet. And then I have the coil just kind of mounted so you can see literally just that nut right there is kind of holding it against the fender. That's only temporary because I just want to kind of see how it would work here. Then with all my routing and wires, and what I really need to do is just drill a couple of holes, pop this tire off, and bolt it in. Yeah, I wish I had some fuse box covers. I need to try and mount this a little bit better. Again, on the other side, cover for that fuse box. I got a few more things to just kind of patch up under the hood, do the oil change, and then I think it might be good. I don't know. We'll keep going though. Letting the car sit here and run, and I've got the fans turned on, and I have heat already, like it's already hot, and it's only been running for like a couple of minutes today. Got some fluid there. Oh yeah. My upper radiator hose is leaking. Or it's the radiator. I know this radiator's been fixed before, down there obviously. So this side of the radiator is completely cold. This side is warm. Oh, the car sits here and idles great. Bummer, yeah, that's a really good leak. Alright, well. Gauges all look good, except for the fuel gauge. It's rather empty. Might as well turn this off. Well, that wraps it up for this video. Next things that I'm going to have to do is figure out that radiator leak. I think it's actually coming from the radiator, because I felt like around the upper radiator hose connection, where the hose connects, and it didn't feel like it was dripping from there. So probably the radiator. And at this point, I mean, I need to confirm, so I'll probably get a pressure tester, test it, and if it is leaking from the radiator, maybe I could JB weld it. I don't know if I'd have enough time to actually get a new radiator, because I'm kind of on a budget and I don't want to go over, and I'm close, but I still got to get tires, so I don't know what we're going to do there. And I still got to do possibly an oil catch can or something. I got to do the coolant overflow tank, couple other things in the hood, and then it'll be done under the hood. And then I got to fix the exhaust. I have the new rubber thing for that, for the hanger, lots of other little things. So I don't know if I'll make a video or not. Maybe I will. I don't know. We'll figure it out. I'm kind of wanting to get this thing together. But yeah. Anyway, Road Warrior 72 out.